ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this glorious, glorious night? I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere, about 130 miles north of New York City, up in the Catskills. Going up to hang out with my mom. We just relax. Very much excited. Gonna arrive and eat a little food and then watch a movie. Sit by a fire pit. It's about 55 degrees right now. It's cold. And tomorrow we're camping, and it's gonna be 45 at night. It's gonna be a little cold. Like, let's not dick around. It'll be a cold night. But we'll see. So we got 2.5 more miles on the highway, and then we're gonna hit the little twisties. So don't switch the channel. This might be boring highway, but pretty soon we'll be on a nice little twisty road. At the same time, this is pretty badass because I'm literally just like a lone motorcyclist on the freaking highway. Well, not really lone, passing cars here and there, but right about now I'm pretty fucking lone. Look at this shit. Nobody ahead. It's about 1.5 miles. I'm gonna pop off to the right. I probably should slow down. I'm going entirely too fast with the speed limit. No. These things happen. It's about 8 o'clock p.m. on a Friday. The sunset was at 6:20. I literally should have left the city a little earlier. I'm not a big fan of riding at night, even with the beautiful monodemic. So we're about to get off on the exit in less than 1 mile. This bike is just roaring. I've been cooking it at like 80 something for a while now. Here we go, less than 1/2 mile. We're gonna peel off. And I gotta admit, I'm a little chilly. I'm really glad that I'm wearing like a thermal and everything, and I'm bringing extra thermals and extra thermals for the pants and thermals for the top, 2 tops, and hoodie and leather jacket and all the things. I even brought a hat. Should have probably brought a warm hat. But yeah, it's gonna be a camping in the natural environment, like real camping, not glamping. We're actually going to be on this private property over here, and look how pitch black it is around here. Madness. There's literally nobody here. Gotta watch out for deer. Make sure I'm recording. Yep, good. Want to make sure that the mic is plugged in all the way. Good. Good. Blinded that car for no good reason. Hey, I gotta watch out for wildlife, because this is where deer would fuck up your day. It would really fuck up your whole day. About 2 miles, gotta take a right. Feeling a little chilly, but it's okay. Almost there. Look at this beautiful road. Monodemic is just lighting up the way. Can you see how far? I mean, GoPro kind of has shitty night quality, but take my word for it. I can see everything. All the sides. ahead, everything. Been on the highway for the last 2 hours. Took me like an hour to leave the city, and I'm a little chilly. First chillinesses. So what is it? It's October 4th or 5th. October 5th. Could be colder. Dropped my bike over here once because I was being silly. I could use the little fancy monodynamic feature, but truth be told, I like the high beams better in this kind of environment because I can see farther. There's probably deer all over the place, fact. So I'm not going too fast now because it could come out at any moment. That I'm slowing down a little bit. It's not as cold, but definitely not warm. One of these days I'm gonna get a GoPro 7 and the night quality will definitely improve. Now, that was an animal of some sort, a tiny little animal, a woodland creature crossing the road. We are. Good times. Not really a vlog with content when talking, but just an experience of how to fucking ride a bike at night in the cold. Yeah, the joy is over for the year, I think. I think from here on, it's only gonna get chillier. This might be one of the last rides up to the Catskills for a while, because this is not fun. I don't like being chilly. I guess I could have worn thermals on the pants and everything, but it's all good. Anywho, guys, I'm gonna probably talk to you later. Alright, this is the last stretch. Make sure my leg did not fall asleep.